Okay, here's our color choices. That's as clear and transparent as you could get over vertical fir pine. People like calling it pine. It's actually vertical fir pine, which is a type of pine used for flooring. Here's a natural color. This is called natural. And this one here, this is the cedar tone of the PPG SRD wood finish, transparent matte. One coat protection. So, using our machine to sand everything. This is the standard flooring edger. Flooring edger machine. We're using these 80 grit discs. That's the big sanding machine. We're using 60 grit belts. Around the perimeter for these areas, the transition between the edger machine and the transition between the edger machine and the big machine, we use a big palm sander. The big palm sander is, there it is. Big palm sander's right there. On that we use a Velcro 40 grit. We use a Velcro 40 grit on that. And then finally, after everything is, all the paint is stripped, once all the paint is stripped, then we use the buffing machine with, this is an 80 grit screen. And we use the buffing machine. So that'll be the preparations. And customer told us to put all the furniture out in the lawn. So boss is always right. That's what we did. We got a big rain coming tonight. Elliot, remind me to buy a big plastic tarp. We left that other plastic tarp on yesterday's job over.
I don't think we left it. I think it's in your garage.
No, we put it over. Remember when we covered up her pool tarp yesterday?
Oh, under there.
Yeah, that's all right. That was an old tarp. It's got lots of holes in it. I'll buy a new one, and we'll cover up his tables tonight. All right. See how this day goes. Oh, and the duck. Nice piece of lawn art.